Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. I am Muhammad Wahab, and in today's video I will show you how to use simple yet effective morph animations in your PowerPoint slide to make your research thesis presentation more engaging and impactful. Slides. Let's get started. First, navigate to the slide where you want to apply the morph transition. For example, under the heading Background and Introduction of the Broad Problem, I want to discuss three factors that contribute to the unsustainability of the defined benefit pension system. And these factors are global demographic changes, unfunded pension liabilities, and multiple layers of retirement benefits provided to the eligible family members. Since I have three main points to discuss as part of the background of the research problem, I will need to create three duplicate slides. But before doing so, first I will insert a shape here to highlight the main point I will be explaining on each slide. And for this purpose, I will click on the insert option, and then under the shapes option, I will select this one. Okay, you can change its color under the shape fill option. Let me select this one, and then you can see the outline is of black color. So let me also change its outline color. I will select the same color. Okay, next I will duplicate the slide by right clicking on it and selecting the duplicate slide option from here. After creating the first duplicate, it's good idea to make any necessary adjustments to the contents of the slide, such as repositioning or resizing the elements. This is because for the second and third duplicates, fewer changes will be needed. For instance, let's move this text from right to left. Okay, I will also make some changes to the heading at the top of the slide because I want to insert some graphs to support my points later on. Okay, I will also copy and paste or place this shape onto the first main point I will explain to support my problem statement. Right click and then send it to big so the text is visible. After making the necessary changes to this slide, create the remaining two duplicates, highlighting the other two important points. I'll right click on it and then we'll click on the duplicate slide option. Similarly, for the third point, I will create the third duplicate. And for the explanation of the second point, like unfunded pension liability is my second point, I will place it here. And similarly, for the third point, I will repeat the same step. Okay, next, select all the slides where you want to apply the morph transition. Like this is my first slide, this is second. Keep pressing the control button on the keyboard and select all the four slides. Okay, I have selected these four slides. Now click on the transitions option and then select the morph option. Okay, let me also place this graph in front of this slide. This is my first point, and this graph is representing the global demographic changes And for the second point, which is the unfunded liabilities, I have created this graph, and I will place this graph in front of the second point. And for the third one, I have this family members tree. Okay, now preview the transition, or first I will go to the this slide and then I will click on the slide show. This basic animation technique is an excellent tool for adding a professional touch to your research thesis presentation. Furthermore, click on the next slide option, then again click. You can see, just keep explaining your points. And lastly, we have multiple layers of retirement benefits. In different ways you can use the morph transition. However, this is one of the way which you can use in your research thesis presentation. Hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. For more content like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.